Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, start off by pulling down the notification panel and finding Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right here in the top right corner. Once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately enable it with whatever the default parameters are, or you can hold the toggle and this will quickly take you to the settings, or you can customize how it functions. So we have things like schedule right here, which will allow you to set up schedule so it turns on and off automatically. We have people, so we can choose who can call you and message you. Both are separate, as you can see. We also have apps, so you can choose what kind of apps can give you notifications when the mode is enabled. And lastly, we have alarms and other interruptions, so just a couple toggles which you can choose from what will be allowed to function normally during this mode. Enabled means that it will basically bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. And under advanced, we got some duration for quick settings, meaning whenever you tap on the toggle right here, you can choose what it does. So we have, by default, it's always until turn off, so you have to tap on it to turn it on and then tap on it again to turn it off. You have a timer one, so you can set up specific amount of hours. Now whenever you set up whatever you will set up right here, so for instance, if I confirm 4 hours, every time I tap on the toggle now, it will turn on for exactly those 4 hours. And then you also have ask every time option, which basically will bring this option every time you're trying to turn it on, with also the ability to change the timer option. And we have lastly some options for notifications, so you can choose which notifications and what kind of notifications will go through. And that being said, once you're done with setting this up, all you need to do is simply leave it. And if you went with the schedule mode, you don't really need to do anything extra. Just enable the schedule in the settings, and from there it will turn on and off automatically. But if you want to turn it off and on yourself, simply tap on a toggle from here and select turn on, and there we go, it's now enabled, which you can see right here, this circle with a marking in it. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on it once again. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.